Everyone wonders how they can make a beautiful piece of art, and it's simple really. As artists, we have rules that we follow called the elements and principles of design. Let's start with the basics, the principles. The first principle is point, and this is literally the starting point of any design. Next, we have line, which can be made using a pen, brush, or pencil, or it can be the space created when two shapes meet. By using line, we then create shape, and shape can either be geometric or organic. To shape, we then add color, which adds interest to the composition. To the color, we add value, which gives the shape form and depth. And finally, we can add texture, which gives the surface a tactile feeling to the surface, and it can be smooth, rough, jagged, metallic, or even hairy in some circumstances. After the basic principles, we then have the elements of design, which are going to add interest to the composition of your piece. The first element is balance, which can either be symmetrical or asymmetrical. Symmetrical balance is where both pieces are exactly the same, and asymmetrical balance is where the balance is weighted to one side. After balance, we have dominance, which can be shown through color or size, for example. And then we have repetition, which adds variety to your piece, as well as keeping a cohesiveness throughout the work. And next we have contrast, which is similar to dominance because you can show it through size, shape, and color. But contrast is to make one piece stand out. And finally, we have unity, which is the part of the piece that will give the whole piece cohesiveness to one another. In my example of the houses, I show two houses without the road and then two houses with the road, and once the road is added, the piece has unity and flow throughout it. So once you take these elements and principles into consideration, your artwork can become what you want it to be, a beautiful piece.